Hi guys, in this time let's continue with the bottle of perfume. Let's make these two parts here. On here, this is the general assembly. In the past, let's we made this bottle, and this time we have to make this cover. So let's start. And first, let's make this profile, and after that, let's extrude. So let's open the software here and File. Choose a new and select part. Part here, okay. Let's work in this. Let's white plane, and let's draw a reference line. Select activate this option. Line, again line, and deactivate this. Select and deactivate, and make the profile something like that. Select this profile here, here, and here, and press escape. And let's give dimension first 22 and 30 here, 22 here, give 15. It's my mirror. Select this, and this. Select this line, and let's extrude 59. Yes. Let's exit from this sketch. Select this option. Give 59. Okay. Now let's draw a hole here at 12, a diameter 12, and could extrude at 12 also. Select this face. Let's draw a reference line. Escape. Select this line, project, select circle. Let's, here. Select the circle and deactivate this option. Give 12. Okay. Let's exit from this sketch and select this option. Give 12 also. 2. And finally, let's make the chamfer, all the chamfers. 3 millimeters. Select this face, this, and this. Select preview, and that's it. Let's save here and File, save. Give number 2. The name is a cover, and that's it. Let's continue with the third part. It's a dispenser. Again, first let's start with driving the profile. So let's make a new file, sorry. Select part and okay. Select this and select this. Let's draw our reference line. Sorry. Here. Again. And the profile it's this, so it's something like this. Let's activate this function. Select profile, sorry. Here, and here. Press escape. Select this line and let's give dimensions. First is 10 here to here, 10, sorry, and 10.5 here to here, and 17.5. And the width is 21 and 1, so give here 1 millimeter, and here is 21/2. Let's move this, and the last one is 12. Select this. Sorry, here it's I have a mistake, so this is the only I have to stroke down after the diameter. So this line, select, but it's okay. Select this line, press escape, and select this. Select this line. Let's close and press escape. Select this line and deactivate this function. Select mirror. First, select all the lines that you can make a mirror, and select this function, and that's it. Okay, select. Let's exit and extrude. So this is 24. Extrude 24. Yes, 24. Sorry, I live close to the road, and select this. We say 24, and select this face. And select this line, project, select construction line, Deactivate this function, make this here, it's okay, and give 12. Let me check. Yes, 12, and extrude 10. Let's exit. And after that, let's make here a hole with a 1 millimeter. In this part, it's for the liquid or perfume can exit. The walkway, 1 millimeter. Let's make a constraint. Select this project, select, and we give a constraint. Select, press escape, select this concentricity. Okay, let's exit, and let's give up to the last, up to next, up to surface. The surface is okay. Now let's work in this face. Let's draw a circle. Select this. Select this point and this concentricity, and the diameter is 7, and extrude cut 5.5. Here is 7. Let's exit from this sketch and let's go. Here it's dimension 5.5. And okay. Let me check. Yes, it's okay. Let's save. Let's give number 3. And this is a dispenser. And that's it. For now, the video it's fine until here. Finally, in the next video, we have to make the assembly. This is the assembly to make all the bottle of perfume. So guys, I hope the live and see you.